Are you pushing that baby stroller? Are you taking your baby for a walk? Where are you going to go? Is it stuck? Want to take it for a walk? Here. There you go. Stuck. Stuck, what do you say?
Dog.
Dog. No, can you say thank you? Say thank you. You want the baby out? Here you go. You want to hold your baby? Oh. There. Do you love that? Yeah, does that mean thank you, Grandma Rabbit and Grandpa Terry? You take such good care of your baby. She's sleeping? We'll put her back in the stroller. Want to keep going for a walk? I'm going to stick ya. You ready? There you go. Got a whole playground down here. Okay. Say thank you. We love you.